Hi, I'm Paul Perdue, and I am the infrastructure nerd. And today we're going to talk about perspective. We do things in marketing our firms or our organizations or in our personal lives that put our best foot forward. For instance, if you go to my main webpage for the company that I am the president of, you'll see what we call a hero image on the front page. And that's a big fat picture of me. No pun intended, as you'll see in a second. And that's a very flattering picture. It's taken from a flattering perspective. It's very forgiving. It shows my red tie and my white shirt, and it looks good. But, well, this came to light when I was reviewing the post-production copy of last month's video blog. Let's take a look real quick. It starts out with me, and there I am. And I turn to the side right here. And we get a different perspective. We get a perspective from the side. And I don't look, quite as thin as I do when I'm just facing you like this. Okay? See? No gut. But if we turn to the side, as you just saw, we'll see the gut. We do that all the time. It's how we look at ourselves. It's how we look at our companies, our firms. It's how we want other people to look at us. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just putting your best foot forward. It's looking at things from the best possible perspective. But if every once in a while you take a look at things from a totally different perspective, look at things from a different angle, look at things from the side, in the instance of my gut, you'll see where you could stand to improve things. You'll see where things might change for the better. And there's nothing wrong with that either. Of course, we always want to put our best foot forward when it comes to dealing with people and presenting ourselves, and both in our personal relationships and our personal lives and in our business lives. That's not lying, that's just putting your best foot forward, looking at things from the right perspective. But it's also very important, when you're not having people study you, when you're in private, if you will, to look at things from a different perspective, a perspective where you can see your flaws, you can see things that may need improvement, you can see things that in your infrastructure, for instance, that might change for the better. So, what perspective are you going to look at things from?